Did you know Google has a special image search feature that lets you use an image to find other images? Here there are two ways to search photos using Photos. Images, if you click here go, start hunting images. Or the camera icon on search bar also lets you search photos. There are two main ways to do this. Option 1. Use a downloaded image. Upload it to Google Images, and it can find exact matches or similar images. You'll see options to explore variations, sizes, and even sources of that image. Here you can see the sites who have your coat, explore more and more. Here you find websites, Pinterest, Instagram that sell or tells how to style your coat. Let's open one photo and you can add to your cart and loosen up your cart. Option 2. Use the URL of an image. Just click on the image, select Open in New tab, then copy the URL and paste it into Google Images. That's it. You'll instantly find matching and related images online. Let's search for long coats for women, and here is our search. Click on Photos, find a coat you like, then Open in New tab. Then simply copy the URL and paste it in the photo search bar. And boom, you find your similar coats and sites who sell them. When it comes to shopping, searching with photos makes things much easier. You can quickly find similar products and compare options. And it's not just for shopping. Google Image Search can also be used for marketing, business research, or any other purpose where visuals matter. Why is this so useful? You can discover which brands or online stores have stock of a product you like. You can check the image description, source, or similar items. It's a huge time saver when shopping online, doing research, or verifying image sources. You can choose between exact matches, visually similar results related to this image, and explore different versions or sources where it appears online. You'll also see options to learn more about the image and even provide feedback if you want to improve the results. So whether you upload a photo or use its link, Google Image Search makes finding visuals fast, easy, and super practical.